Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ravi Thapa Programming Videos. Today I'm going to give you the first lesson, in the Java standard programming, or you could say the core Java programming. So this is useful for those people who are very new to this technology and they want to learn it. So first of all, if your machine is absolutely blank, then there is one video I have created, one video for installation of the JDK and setting up your machine, laptop, or the desktop for the programming language. So you could follow that videos for preparing your machine for the Java programming. So if it is already installed, then you could simply go to here in the search. If it is the Windows, then you could type either the CMD or the command or the DOS. All are same, right? So once you see this screen, you just simply run one command, that is uh, Java hyphen version. This is very first command that you need to run. So here, if you could see this, that what operating system that we are using, what is the version, right? What are the uh, Java version installed? Everything will be shown after the command. So you could see that this is Java and the version is 1.8, and there is subversion of it. So this is the trademark of Java standard edition environment, and you could see the Java hotpot. It's a 64-bit server. Nowadays you are not going to get the 32-bit version. Earlier there used to be a 32-bit as well, but nowadays almost most of the machines are 64-bit version. So that means your JDK is installed and you could run the Java programs on it, right? So for that you have to write the first Java class. Remember, this is the first Java class that you are going to write. So on the search, you will simply use the notepad. Once it will come, you could simply write public class test curly start curly end, and the first line is public static void main string args curly start curly end, and just give some space, and system dot out dot println hello. I'm writing this message, hello Java programming, right? And I'm going to save it. When you save it, remember, you have to save it as a Java file. So first I have to go to the C drive. I have to create a new directory, or you could say the folder, Java underscore programs, right? So right now I am in D drive. I will just go back, cd back, that you will come to the root directory. There I will type Java, and so after the cdj I just type the tab, and tab will bring the rest of the uh, directory name. So there is no file. I'm going to save it as a test. Remember, the file name will be the same as the class name, and I will save it Java. And don't forget to remove this text document to all documents, otherwise it will convert the file into text file instead of the Java file, right? There is a difference in the Java file and the text file. So if you'll go to the directory, oh, it's not saved there, then where it was saved, it happens. Save as, okay, probably I saved it into the document. So I will go to the Java programs here, test simply the sorry not the Java, right? So if I will go there, see this Java file is created, and earlier there was 0 byte and 0 files here, by the way, 0 files 0 byte. Now you could see there is one file, 118 bytes. And to compile this Java, you simply java c test or Java. This is for the compilation command. There is no error, that means it is compiled. You could simply see that there is a class uh, dot class file is generated from the Java class. And to run this, you simply can run like Java. This is the run command, test c the hello Java programming. So if I will change this and save this file is saved, right? But if you run it, you will not see that change. But if I compile it, Java C, and run it, that change is reflected. So to reflect all the changes from the Java file, whatever the program you have written, or logic you have written, you have to compile that Java file. Once that file is compiled, then only you could reflect that change. This is the end of this video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for the more videos like this. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching.